Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
How do you pronounce this?
Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
Comment. You look so fat.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way you
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside. I'm so hungry, I could eat a cat.
Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
I ate healthy tonight. No, I didn't think so.
I'm so hungry I could eat Nimbus.
Chester, I'm so hungry I could eat Bella.